Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Darrell Addison. I'm the founder and inventor of a growing concept called Torpedo Pot, where we make self-growing planters. All you do is throw your seeds and your plants in that planter. You never water, you never feed. And it grows plants for you like you've never seen before. We supplement maybe once a week for our planters, but they do extremely well. Today I'm coming out because I have to harvest my corn. Well, I see yesterday night the deer came and ate 2 of my corn, and I'm like really pissed off. They were eating my corn, so I'm coming down to pull some of them off so I can have them and show you what you can do with your corn. Guys, these are self-growing planters. Well, all you do is that you take your seeds and your plants and you put them in that planter, and it grows your food for you. And so the proof is in the pudding. So in a space like this, we can normally grow about 10 to 20 heads of corn, and they do so well. I love my corn. I come out, I grow it, I eat it, and carry it in the house, from the garden to the table. So my torpedo pot grows my food for me. This is a self-growing planter. Well, all I do is come out, put my seeds in that planter, it grows my corn, again, 10 to 20 heads of corn in just 20 inches. Who does that? Torpedo Pot does. So we get to have a beautiful season and the harvest and see exactly what we can get from this corn. So you ready? Let's give it a try. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Guys, this is Torpedo Pot. These are self-growing planters, and what they do is that they grow your food for you. So yes, you can do 10 to 20 heads of corn in just 20 inches in a torpedo pot. I'll make it clear. All I did was take my seeds and I threw them in that planter, 1 corn seed. And guess what it did? It grew my corn for me. And it is absolutely beautiful. Guys, isn't my corn beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? It's beautiful because it's growing in a torpedo pot. Notice how, oh my gosh, it's so perfect. I want to eat this right now, but I want to take it in and I want to make sure that I dip it in water, cleanse it off, get it looking really great, and it looks great. It's all natural. Look at this. Natural food growing in a torpedo pot. All I did was take one of these kernels that you see right now. I threw it in that planter. I never water, I never feed. I don't do anything. All I did was supplement once a week with this corn. And I get fresh corn all the time. I don't use any synthetic fertilizers. I don't use any of that stuff, and it grows my food for me. Let's try another head. You want to? Oh, that is so beautiful. That is so gorgeous. Look at this. My corn. It grows in a torpedo pot. Let's try another one. So, what I do is that, sit this aside here, and let's pick off another head of corn and see what's going on inside of this planter. Is that okay with you guys? Let's give it a try. Okay, here's another one. Again, you never water, you never feed. All you do is supplement, and you get food all of the time. It's called Torpedo Pot. It's a faithful growing system. So while other people are sitting back trying to grow into the ground, you don't have to worry about that. You just take your seeds and you put them in that planter, and it grows your food for you. You will never ever have to grow your food again. And it's perfect, it's pure. No synthetic fertilizers, none of that stuff inside of my food. It's all natural. And it's beautiful. Let's try another one. So eager to find out what's going on here. Let's find out. Oh, look at you, look at you, look at you. Not as good, not as good, but it's okay. Could be better. Not as good, but I'm not worried about it. Let's go get some more. So Darrell Addison, torpedopot.com. Let's see, we have one here, and there's a little nymph over here. Let's give this one a try. Yeah, I have to come pick it now because these deer are just eating up my stuff. And I don't like my stuff to be eaten up. Guys, these are torpedo pots. Self-growing planters. And what they do is that they grow your food for you with no human intervention. You put your seeds and your plants in that planter, and it grows your food. So I'm pretty sure that we can do about, in this planter, we should be able to do, I don't know, maybe about 10 to 20 heads of corn inside this planter. Yes, this is Torpedo Pot. It's the world's first self-growing planter, where all you do is put your seeds and plants in there, and you will have food all of the time. I want to munch down and eat this right now. You have no idea how much I want to eat this right now. This one I'm probably not going to eat, but these are absolutely beautiful. So what I'll do with this one is that I'll save my corn kernels for next year. So all the kernels inside of here, well, about 100 of them, so I can grow so much more corn with my Torpedo Pot. And I love it. So in total, we had about 10 heads of corn. My deer came back and they ate a couple of them. And so what I'm going to do now is stop the growth at this point and move on to some other. I got about 2-3 more heads in here that I can choose from. But I think I'm gonna start putting in another crop. That's what's the Torpedo Pot. Once this crop is done, you grow continually. You don't stop growing. You take your kernels, your corn, and you put them in that planter, or you put your next crop in that planter, and it starts to grow your food for you with no human intervention. That's what Torpedo Pot does. It's the world's first self-growing planting system that grows your food. Now imagine 10 to 20 ears of corn in just this small area right here. Dude, it's priceless. It's priceless. Darrell Addison, torpedopot.com. All right, I'm gonna probably clean this up, take it down, and I just want you to see what we're doing at Torpedo Pot, so you'll know how to grow your food at Torpedo Pot. You will have food at Torpedo Pot, and it'll last you for a good long time. Darrell Addison, torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys later. All right, bye-bye. Love it.